Hello there, hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So what are we going to do here? We are going to create and update our website, WordPress website content using Elementor. This is part 2 of this video. I hope you watched part 1 because it was very interesting. We worked on our homepage, we updated the content that was there, we walk along together, and in this video we are going to update we are going to go through the client recommendations, and then we are going to update other pages that are there. So if you did not watch part 1, I recommend you to go watch part 1, or you can actually keep following along on this part 2 of this video, and then maybe later on you can just go back to part 1 and watch it as well, because it's the continuation of this video. So thank you for coming back. If you're in part 1, welcome back. We are going to work and continue our website where we stopped in our last video. So for those who are not here in the part 1 of this video, so we updated this homepage using this content that you see here, and this was the final version. So this was the final version of the homepage that we worked on. So we customized, edited this this page that you see here. We customized it also based on different devices like tablets and a cell phone. So what are we going to do here? We're coming back to check. We are going to check other pages on this website. You can see there is a service page, there is a ebook club, Nexovate lab, and contact us. Right, so we have completed the home page for now. So what are we going to do? This is the content that our client have sent to us. Now we want to build our service. Right, so we're going to work on our service page. So what I have said in part 1 of this video is just that the pictures that our client is suggesting, I do not like it because it has these writings on it. Like, a website picture supposed to have a full picture with no writings on it, but if he really wants it to have these writings as he suggested, so let's do it as it is. So for now, I was actually thinking we could go to our service page, but I see About Us has a lot of stuff to update with all these photos. Okay, I think he mixed the pages, because I can see these things, clinic on cloud, health box. Not sure which section is supposed to be, like portal and rapid deployment. These are like part of our services. You see, telehealth and smart solution. Use the name instead of Nexovate lab and clinic on cloud. Okay, all right, so let's first go and work on this one, because he wants this to be like Nexovate lab and clinic on cloud. So let's go back to the website. This is the Nexovate lab page. You can see, so this is the Nexovate lab page. So actually our client wants us to remove this, so he wants us to remove this content that is here. So we are going to remove this Nexovate lab let's see what is on the clinic on cloud. So this is the clinic on cloud page. Also, you want to keep the background video that is there. So it means we're coming to edit actually this clinic on cloud page. What are we going to do right now? We're going to go into our WordPress admin and remove Nexovet lab. So we are going to remove Nexovet lab as part of our menu of the website. And then based on our client suggestion, so he said we should remove Nexovet lab and replace it with telehealth and smart solutions. That is, but let's go guys. We're going to dashboard. To change the menu, you go to appearance, yes, and then menu, appearance and then menu. So you are seeing the menus that we have home, services, about us, book club. So what are we going to do for this menu? We are going to remove the Nexovet lab, remove it. So we're going to remove it, save menu. So now we have home page, services, about us, ebook club, clinic on cloud, and contact us page. So if we go back, you can see Nexovet lab is not there anymore. So now it's clinic on cloud. So secondly, what are we going to do? We are going to go to our pages on clinic on cloud, pages, all pages, and we're gonna customize the clinic on cloud. Clinic on cloud, click on edit. For now we have to change the menu name based on our customer interests. So he said that we should change it to telehealth and smart solutions, but this is too long. Smart care solutions. So let's just take the first part of it, telehealth. Copy telehealth, and then here you can see clinic on cloud. We change it and then we say telehealth, clinic on cloud. So we're removing clinic on cloud, telehealth, and then we save. It's saving, and then we have to make sure we make it like unseen, so it's not gonna appear on top of our page. So let's go back to the website, try to refresh. Ta-da! It's changed to telehealth. You can see, right? We're going back. Now we are going back. So then, just as going back to Hostinger and then logging into WordPress, so let's go to telehealth. Where is it now? Telehealth, and right click, open a new tab, edit with Elementor. So we can just come back to these pages and customize whatever that we are doing. So we are in Elementor now. We want to customize this content. Next of it, essay is trusted. Together we deploy health kiosk. Keep the background video. Okay. So we are here. You see now, how can client expect us to add all these things, all these 2 paragraphs in the... Okay, it's fine, let's do it. Freelancers, if you are a web designer freelancer, make sure you lead your client on the content that they are sending you to put on their website. Because if your website is not looking good, you as a designer are the one that they are going to blame, right? They'll be like, no, your website is not looking good. But for the sake of this video, I am going to add all the content that my client has sent to me on the website the way he wants it to be, and then later on I'll make a meeting with him and give him suggestions on what we can change. But for the sake of this video, I'm showing you how to change content, how to customize your website, how to make it search engine friendly. So let's keep going. Okay, I hope you're still there. So we copy, we go back to our website. So this is what we're going to do. We're gonna remove things that are there, and then we paste that. So I want to duplicate this. Alright, and go to this one. I am going to remove this margin 50 to 10. Let me just make it 0, so we're not gonna have that distance. So it's gonna be like this. So let's go and get the second paragraph. So this was the first paragraph, and this is second paragraph. Copy, go back, go to second paragraph. So click that pen, guys, and go to content and delete whatever is there and put the second paragraph. Right, so I want to reduce the font size. The font size is too big for 2 paragraphs. So instead of 25, let's make it 20, and this one instead of 25, let's make it 20. So let's try something. Let's try to combine these 2 paragraphs and see how it's gonna look like. If it looks good, we combine it. If it doesn't look good, and then we keep the 2 paragraphs. So I'm coming to the first paragraph, and then I want to paste after just the dot, and then I want to paste. I think it's okay like that. Let's just remove the second paragraph, delete. Right, and then we're going to come here and customize it. Next of it, essay is a trusted implementation partner and authorized distributor, right? Technology driven primary, Africa together. Okay, it's fine. The solution enable on the spot. I don't know why there's this dash here, but let me just go and remove them. On the spot. Right. So if you come, this is how it looks like. Clinic on Cloud Africa solution powered by Nexovert. So what was the title? We're changing it like this. Instead of Clinic on Cloud, let's just put the title as Telehealth and Smart Solution. What do you think, guys? You see we changed, so we're going to remove this. Telehealth and smart care solution. Yeah, much better, much better, much better, much better. So let's see how it looks on our tablet. Our tablet, I think I need to increase the size so it can pop. Yeah, like that. So 50. Let's make it 58. 58, and then we're going to reduce the font size of our typography to 18. 18, and then with this one, with this box, okay, padding from 40, let's put our padding to 10. So it's right 15. 15, sorry for that, and then left put 15, and then top and right I'm just gonna put 3. I don't want a lot of padding on the top and right. So now you see this is how it looks on the tablet. It's fine, and we have our video playing in the background. And then on the mobile device we want to change it. So now we have boxed with, let's just make full width. So we have a full width. Yeah. So change our title 25. Smart solution, and then we change our description, padding right to 3, padding left to 3, and 1 top 1. Yes. It's just that the description is too long. It's too long, guys. So with our typography, if we reduce it to 13, so for our mobile users are not gonna be able to read what is there. Let's just keep it to 15 to give them enough room to read. What about 16? It's too big. Let's keep to 14. Yes, and then this one, remove top, put it 10, bottom 0, left 0, top, bottom, right and left. That's fine. Telehealth and smart care solution. We're going back. We publish first what is there. So how do you put the background video? You go to style, background. So you can see there is classic, gradient, video and picture. So you select the video and then you insert the link of your video there, so it can be either Vimeo or YouTube, right? And then once you're done, your videos are playing in the background. So if you want to play on your mobile phone, select yes. or if you don't want, select no. If you want to play it once, you put yes. If you want to keep playing, just leave it as no. Right, so we finish with this one section, so we want to update the second section. So the client say keep the background video playing. So now we want to add this picture, right? And so we have the second section, which he calls technology capabilities. So we have how many sections? One. So how many titles? Subtitle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have this picture. Technology and capabilities. Absolutely, I don't like it when my menus do this, but I'm still going to sort them out. I'm going to sort them out. Right, let me just refresh them. I'm going to refresh it. Let's wait for it to load, and then we can continue. While it's loading, guys, if you are still here, please subscribe to this channel. If you are gaining value from this video already, learning how to update your content, how to add video, how to add pictures, how to navigate your website, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, like, and share it with your people, like your partner, your business partner, who also is looking to be able to change content on your website. So I hope our website is loaded. Let's go back to it. So it has loaded already, and we are good to go. So the second section was to add this picture and this title. So what I want to do, we can keep this first as it is. Okay, now I want to delete this section. I'm gonna delete it. I don't think I need it. And then from this section, I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit this one to technology and capabilities. Our course sample, technologies and capabilities, and then we're going to add description, add a text editor here just below that one. So this is where your elements are if you want to add a new elements. So you have your container, your grid, your title, images, text editor for subscription, for description, videos, so buttons and so on. Why is it taking so long? Probably is our network. Maybe it's our network. So what I want to go to, I want to copy this paragraph. Copy and paste. Oh no. Okay, my bad. So here, I don't know, let's go back and redo this. Yes, now we are here. So I am going to copy this, copy and paste on this. So we're going to style it up, typography 25, and then we center it. Let's make it black. What is the title? Content font Montserrat, and the description Montserrat. So we're going to change this to Montserrat. That is actually the brand of this company, and put it to medium, right? And then we're coming here, and give it to 0, 0. So we're going back to content. I can see there is a lot of space. I just wanted to remove this space. Yes, fine. Let's leave it like that. And then we're going to add these subtitles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5. So what are we going to do? This is 1, 2, 3. 3. Let me see what happens if I duplicate this one to 5, 4, 5, and then we make the whole thing, the whole layout boxed full, yeah, just the full content. Right, so it's fine like that. And then we're coming back, customize it. My mouse is getting stuck, guys. Okay. Okay. So we're back. So let's try to customize these things. Add these titles. Copy. Content. Title, this description. So I hope you guys are following along while also editing your website, so that when I finish you will also be able to complete your website. So make sure you are following along, doing what I'm doing, so we can be on the same page. So far so good. So let's do like this. So what I wanted to duplicate was actually this. The whole inner section, yeah, this inner section. So I want to duplicate that one, that inner section. So I actually want to see if it's going to work, what I want to do. So I want to remove these three. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see first. Remove this one. Delete one. Delete two. Number 2. So it is 1 and 2. Right? 1 and 2. So we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So portable rapid deployment as there, delete 1, and advanced delete 2. So digital health, digital record. So let's delete the second, this one. Yeah, then we can keep it that way. So yeah, this one is perfect. So instant health assessment, telemedicine services, digital health record. You see, this is perfect. This is perfect. So this is our section 2, this section 2. But then we need to also add this photo. So where do we have to put this photo? Let's just see. Can we put it in the background? It's going to be too much because there is already a video playing here in the background. So maybe we'll see where to put it. Let's continue. Let's continue. We'll figure out where to put, because it's still there, that photo. We're going to figure out where to put it. Let's finish our content first. All this content is there. Technology and capabilities content is there. So this is our core telehealth offerings. So now we have 1, clinic on cloud Africa. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 services. Yeah, so we have 3 services. 3 services. So let's go and add that, our core telehealth offerings. 3 services. So we are going to remove this, delete this section and add a new section. So I am going to start a template plugin and I want to select a block that I want to use. So how many services we had? So we had about, let's go back, it was 3 services, right? So 3 services. We're going to check the block that aligns well with that. And I think this one will be a good fit. This one will be a good fit. This one will be a good fit. Report. Alright, and then let's first check if there's another one that has at least a title on top of it. Is there any of those that have a title? Let's check, keep on checking. Yes, you can take these ones, but these ones are very small. Okay. You can also take this one. You can also have this one. So there's a lot of template we can use. Okay, I saw something that has a title on it. Let's go grab that one with the title. Not this one, this one. This one is okay. Go get that one. We get this one while it's still importing. Guys, I am sure you are still around and you are still working along with me, and if you are still here and you are getting value to this video, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Continue working. Make sure by the end of this video your website content should be also updated. Please make your comment, write your comment under this video and telling me how your website content updates are going. So let's continue with what we are doing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this. Just click on it and delete. Click on that and delete, and we're going back. So we're going to grab this title, our core telehealth offerings. Our core telehealth offerings, and then we come here and write it there. Go to style it according to your size and make it 40-50. Yeah, and then we go to our, let's take our deep blue, copy our deep blue color and the color there. Maybe we did not grab it nicely. Control and C, and then we come here, Control and V. Control and C is copy, Control and V is paste, right? So we come here. What is our first core services? Say clinic on cloud, health kiosk, medical ATM. Clinic on cloud, health kiosk, medical ATM. Copy that, come back, and then put it here. Title service 1 is clinic on cloud, health kiosk, medical ATM. Medical health ATM. So come here, center. Going to put it as 30. 30 is too much. Let's put this 25. 25 is still too much. I think 18 will work. This 20, yeah, 20 is perfect. 20 is perfect, and then we're going to change the font to Moonlight. And then our description, we're going back to the content our client sent and copy, and paste, and go to style, centralize it and make it black. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'll press this pen and go to picture. So which photo is there? This is the picture. I'm going to save this picture as clinic ATM. Picture 2, clinic ATM, and then save clinic ATM. Picture 3, health box. Let's also save picture 3 as health box, then save, and then tell consultant picture 4, tell consultant, right, and then we save. So let's go back. We're going to insert this picture. So how do you insert this picture? You come here, you choose your image, and then you're going to upload it from your device, right? And then you can go to picture 2, clinic health, and then once you're done, you insert. So later on, guys, I will show you how you can optimize your pictures, but for now let's keep it this way. We go to select your height. Let's take it as 370. So we go to our second service. Service number 2 is Clinic on Cloud Health Box. Copy. Service number 2 is Clinic on Cloud Health Box, and then center. We've customized. We make it 20. Those 20. 20, and then we come back to description, copy description there, and then make it to center, right? And the color, we're going to make it black. We're coming back to our clinic health box. Which one is the health box here? Is it this one? Teleconsultant. Which one is the... Oh, this is the teleconsultant picture. So let's go and insert the health box first. Upload, So this is actually the hard box, and then you're going to insert it. So that is the health box. So I want to insert everything, and then we can just customize it the same height. And then let's save this to teleconsultant. Save picture as picture 5, and then you come here, insert picture, set picture, and set it there. And then I'm going to put the minimum height as 370, or we can put it there, 340. So let's also put this one on 340. Yeah. So let's remove this. I think we only have 3 services here. Delete that one. Okay, so now I think let's just put edit first, and then we're gonna put everything together, guys. No worries, we are working together in this. Our third service was teleconsultant and global suppositions. Copy. And then you go here, center, and then we come we need to make it as black. Okay, guys, and center it too. So what we want to do here, let's put our height as the 400. So our height will be 400, and our height here, our height will be 400, and our height here will also be 400, right? And then our font, deep blue, let's take this blue here, copy, typography, Monserrate 20 with this one, Monserrate 20 semi bold, let's make it bold, and transform uppercase. Should we keep it uppercase or keep it the way it is? I think we should just keep it capitalized as it was, right? Yeah. Monserrate 20, and we put our color. Okay, we also bold it from semi bold to bold, and this one, make sure is Monserrate. So guys, don't mind about my font, the font name and the font size that I'm using. This should be according to the brand, your customer's company brand. we did not make it bold. Okay, ta-da! So what we're going to do, this you can see so boxed, so I want to go back and make it like this. I want to make it full width and maximum height. Okay, screen stretch, yes. Okay, so we're gonna have this like that. Perfect. So since we're done with that one, we're going to delete this one now. So let's see, with our advanced, I can see the top is too much. I'm going to put it to 80 and the bottom to 80 as well. Okay, and let's see the paddings that are here. So let's just keep it 5 for now, and 5, same as this one. Let's keep it 5 and 5, same as this one. Let's keep it as 5 and 5. And then here no. Yeah. Okay. Right. So now I want to do this one to a full height, minimum height. Okay, so we're going to center this. Let's just make it add our padding to maybe 60. I mean our margin, so we can make it at least. Okay. I think it's fine like that. It's okay. It's so stretched. So let me see if I can remove the stretching. Full width and then maximum width. You see if I do like that, let me just make full width. And if I do boxed, okay, if I do boxed, that's how it is. And this one also, if I do it as it's actually boxed, this one, and then I put the maximum margin as one. Awesome. Yep, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. And then this one the same thing. I want to go to layout, and then I want to make it boxed, and then I want to put to 1300. And if we go back, it's gonna be like this. Perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect like that. Perfect like that. Let's publish first as it is, so that it won't save with nothing. And then we want to put this section. We invite investors, strategic partners. So we can use also here. We can use these ones. Let's remove this. Delete. And this one delete, and then we can edit this. Centered, right bottom, and then we're gonna copy this. Copy, come here, and then paste. Right, so let's go back to our size. We put size 30, and then we put it medium. Maybe we can put it semi-bold, and then we make it as Montserrat. Okay, and then it says we invite strategic partners and impact focused founders to join NetSolved SA in expanding AI enabled telehealth that delivers accessible, scalable and sustainable primary health solutions across the continent. And then get in touch with us. This button we also want to center it, and then the content I want to make it as wide as possible. Medium. Okay. Padding. Right. Top and bottom. So if I say 1200. Okay, and then 500. Yeah. And then this section I want it to be a bit minimum height, a bit longer. Yes, and then I want this one to have a top margin of 50. If 50 is too small, 100, so it can be in the middle. Yeah, just like that. And the picture in the background, picture in the background. 700. 150 bedding. Okay, and the picture in the background, let's go to the background picture, full, customize. If we make center, customize. Yep, it's better. We invite here. It's much better. Let's save it the way it is for now. For now. Teleconsultant with global physicians, immediate access to an international work network. Non-comply health kiosk, medical health ATM. Okay, so what we can do, we can change this picture because this picture and this picture are like the same thing, and maybe we can come and add the other picture that we're having. This one. This one is looking down, so we want the one with a smile. And this also is looking down, so let's look the one that everyone is looking on us. That everyone is looking at us. Yes, that's perfect. That's perfect. Okay, guys. So that's it. But this one is not wide enough. Let's see if we can make the maximum wide. No, it's fine now. It's fine. It's fine now. It is fine now. So it's fine now. We have our video in the background, technology and capabilities, our quarterly health offerings. We invite, get in touch. Right. So we have everything working now, and then we can customize it to our different devices. So what are we going to do here? Here is already customized. This one I'm going to change the font size. The font size to 20. Let's change it to 18. Okay, it's fine. This one, the font size, content. title 25, description 18 or 20. Okay, 25 and 20. So content, title 25, and description, change it to 20. This one, title is 25, description 20. So all of them the same thing. Description to 20, and lastly $25 and now description to 20. Okay, and then we're changing this title to 35, right? And then $100, $100, okay, and then we're going to select the whole thing, and then we go to advanced, margin right 20. It's fine. This is fine, but no, it's fine. Let's do this one. So we're going to get maybe so we're going to make our padding right to 20 and our padding left to 20, our padding bottom to 22, right? This one the same thing. Padding right 20, padding left 20, padding bottom 20, and yeah, so and this one, padding left 20, padding right. So bottom we're gonna leave it to 0, 20, 20, 20. Height was 400, Okay, it's fine. Gonna leave it like that, sorted. And then I'm coming back to this one. Typography 25. So let me make it 20. And then this one, right, left 50, 15, bottom 50. So 100. Okay. Okay. Publish. Okay, and then this is how our tablet content looks like. So what are we going to do in this one? Just give it a padding, my padding by margin bottom of 20. Okay, make it. Okay, let's see how much was it. Okay, 20. And lastly 20. Okay, it's fine. It's fine like that. And then we're going to our mobile device. So let's edit typography 20 and this one 15. Let's check the margin bottom or padding bottom. Let me go to 10. And this one okay, on the mobile put it 10, even 5. 10 is too much. 5. And this one I put it to 5. Okay, this one bottom 10 minus 5, and then the bottom is 10. This one is 5, top 10. And then top we make it 10, and then 5, and this one 5, and then the top make it 10, and the bottom make it 10, right? And this one typography we put it 20, 25, 25. So everything in here. Advanced, and then dirty, left, then left, then. Okay. So yeah, I think that's fine. Maximum width, and this one maximum width. It's perfect. So we're done this one. Okay, so let's see. So we have done the telehealth. We've done the telehealth page, done these pictures, we've added the technology services, and this is our mobile view of it. We've customized it to the mobile. We've customized it and optimized it to the tablet view, and this is our website view. So maybe we should just work on these titles. So let's see the content. Bold and make it 13. Bold and make it 30. Same applies to others. Maybe that is too much, right? Yeah. So let's put it 25. Going to make it 25. So guys, this is how you learn. Well, let's just leave it as it was. Let's leave it as it was. But let's make our titles as bold, so it can just pop out. Bold, so it can pop out to our visitors. So you see how you put bold, right? You go to typography and then you select bold. Content, typography, bold, content, typography, and then you put it as bold. Okay, then save. And this is the telehealth page that we have fully updated. We have added pictures, services, background picture, the button, and the video. You've seen how to put it. I hope you have learned a lot, guys. If you are still here and you are still following with me, congratulations. You are curious, and I know that you are going to make that website stand out. If you are learning and you are gaining value from this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and like this video, and share to anyone who you know that is going to benefit from this channel. Alright, guys, so you have seen that we just completed now our telehealth pages, and I'm so happy. I'm happy how it's looking, and I'm sure that our client will also be happy about it. Right? It's very nice. Right, guys, I'm not going to keep this video very long. It's already long as it is, but I want you to subscribe and also go watch part 3 of this video, where we are going now to update the team members pages. Okay, we are going to update the about us, the team member page. Right, so thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for staying with me as we continue to update our website content pages. Keep watching, keep hustling, keep succeeding, and most of all, your mindset is everything. Your thoughts create your reality. Cheers.